So this is the tutorial for you to complete your PowerPoint portfolio presentation for me. First thing you need to do is go to Canvas, and you need to make sure that it says Canvas Street for Teacher, and that the URL is canvas.instructure.com. If it's not, you're in the wrong place, and you're not going to be able to log on in. Go to Login, find your course, go to Files over on Slide. And now you need to find the files for all of your assignments. To do that, you go all the way to the bottom where it says All My Files. Go to Submissions. Go to the class that you're enrolled in. And now it's going to list files. You can open up the file and download it. Like this. Just download. Or, easier, you just find the three dots. Click on the three dots, download, click on the three dots, download, click on the three dots, download. So you're going to download all your work. And all of those works are going to the download folders on your computer or your Chromebook. In order to access them from your Chromebook, there's a little circle in the bottom left-hand corner. You can set in downloads, and it should bring up the download folder in that in your Chromebook. From here, open up a new page. I'm going to go to the wall, go down to Slides, and it's going to open up Google Slides. And I'm just going to use the presentation. So if you want to make your life easier, if your computer will allow it, the first thing you should do is go to Add-on, Get Add-on. And what you're looking for here is you need to search Slides Toolbox. It looks like this. If the computer will let you install it, go that direction. If it won't, it's going to be a little bit slower, but not terrible. So I close it down because I've installed it. So without using the app, the first thing that you need to do is you're going to need to create a title page. I like to have my background black. I'm just going to click over on the side. And create a name. This is going to be my AP portfolio. So list your class. So if you're in volume 21, it's volume 21, etc. And then I'm going to list the year. This is 2019 to 20. You can put like year of the pandemic, or I don't mind it. It's a little bit too much. I'm going to get rid of that other stuff. Nuts. If you want to make it a little bit pretty, you are more than welcome to. If I want to increase the font size, I can come on over and make it here. Yep. So I get my title. I'm going to hit Control M, like moose. Makes another title page. I like to delete this out, and I'm going to add an image. To add the image, I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Now, and I should point out, like, say you go to Insert, Image. You can also go to your drive if it happens to be on the drive or happens to be somewhere else. I'm going to upload from the computer. They're in downloads. I know this is going to be a little bit different on your Chromebook. But I'm going to find an image. I'm going to open that image. Bring it on over. Make it a big look scene. And then I'm going to list the following things besides the top of that image. Media. What is the project? What is the project? So, for instance, in this case, it's light painting. Was it a self-portrait? Was it an advertising logo? What is it? Okay. After that, I'm going to list the media. What I mean by the media is what is it made of? Is it paint? And what is it? This is digital. Digital artwork. If I happen to have a size that gives us actually physically a piece of paper, I'm going to list the size. This is digital. It doesn't have a size. It has whatever size I want it to have. So I'm not going to list the size, except I'm going to pretend that it actually had one. And I'm going to make this 11 inches, 14 inches. Remember that the two little comma things, those things tell you that it is inches. I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to center it so it looks better. I'm going to drop it down so it looks better. I'm going to highlight it and make it a little bit bigger so it's beautiful. And there's my first slide. I'm not incredibly particularly hard about the order, but I really would prefer that you start with early stuff, get stuff done in September, and then go all the way through in your last piece. If you were going to scene one, it would be your portrait. If you were art, chances are it would be light painting, something like that. So now, if I need to make another work, Control M, insert, image, upload from computer, and now I'm going to go with, it's probably going to be this image, but I'm going to go with that. Okay, so same image. So I can continue like this, just, adding images by insert, image, upload from computer, and this time I'll add in, I will add in this one. So I put two images in. I'm fine with two images, by the way, as long as that you can see them and as long as you can provide media, the project, and if needed, the size for each work. Now, if you are unable to download the app, you can stop listening. If you downloaded the app, this makes things a lot easier. I go up to Add-on, Slides Toolbox, and I'm going to open it. I'm going to go to Import Tool. I'm going to go to Create Slides from Images. I want a single image. And now I'm going to go through and I'm going to go to Upload. Select File from your device. You need to go to your Downloads. And I will go to Desktop. I'm going to go to Light Painting. And I can see all my images here, right? Okay, so I want to insert all of these images at once. So I'm going to just click, Shift, click. Select all four of them. I'm going to hit Open. Put them on up there. I'm going to hit Upload. It takes a little while, but you don't have to click as much in there. There we go. So now it put all of the images right there. All I need to do now, this made it nice and big. I'm going to size this one. I need to add a toolbox, text box. So I go to text box. Click. And in this case, this would be a painting. Color is off. Do not want black. So I need to change that color to textbook. I want to turn that to white. It's white painting. Show artwork. It has no size. And now I can make it bigger. If you want to insert another slide anywhere, say I want to insert a slide here, I can just click M, so Control M, go insert a slide. If you right click, or whatever the equivalent is on Chromebooks, I'm sorry, I can just go on in and get the slide, right click, delete, right click, delete, and I've been doing it on this one, delete. So now I've can save as you go along. So please make sure it's saved. I'll be honest, Google Slides is not my favorite. I prefer PowerPoint wildly. Then once you're finished, upload that to the portfolio presentation, and you are